Let's create URLs file in our application. From article view set, okay, that is so the URLs will be created or will be executed automatically by REST API framework routers. So we don't need to create URLs for create, edit, put, delete, and so on. So it will automatically create the URLs and execute everything. We go. Okay, so that is, hope this is okay. Router.urls, then extra bracket. So the next thing is to open the URLs py file of the main project folder. So I would opt to delete everything here. Okay, import obtain auth token. Oh, should it be like this? Yes, I think that's okay. Then the next thing is okay, so here must be like this, then Control S, this should be call. Okay, so the next thing after creating serializer views and the URLs, let's go on a browser and test this. So quick one, let's test our API as the final part of our backend before we move on React.js. Okay, first of all, let's test it from our REST API. So once I click on API root, you can see we have articles and we have users. So once I click on users, you can see I get the list of all the users. So once I copy something like this, then I paste here and I say ID1, or let me say ID2. Okay, you can see user instance. So user with ID2 is Moses. But here, if I add s and I use put method, this will update the name of user. Okay, password blank. Okay, say the password. I can say Moses. Okay, then you put. You can see username is updated, right? And once I come here, let me refresh. Once I click on users, you can see the name is updated. So then another method we can try is we are done with get method. Once I click get, you can see I fetch the ID and the username. Once I click delete, you can see, are you sure you want to delete user instance? So once I click OK, delete, I hope user is already deleted. As you can see here, we have only one user. Okay, we can do, let me click on articles. We can see, okay, these are our articles. So once I copy, all right, and I paste it here, let me say article 2, right? So once I can say how to use, let me say PostgreSQL in the Django. Okay, once I click here, you can see we can update. Okay, but once I click delete, okay, article list, you can see it is deleted. So this is how to test if your API methods works: get, post, patch, or put, and delete. So let's try out to test it in API. So let me take this. All right, paste it here. So get, I want to fetch the information of all articles. You can see I'm able to fetch the information of articles. What if I want to see article 1? You can see I'm able to see article 1. What if I want to see article 2? You can see not found. We have almost tested the functionality on our Django REST framework. Most of the time I use this to test all my API, and as you can see, it is provided with all popular method we use: get, put, patch, delete, head option. Okay, so you can post it. Okay, this is the form. You can post it, you can put, and so on. So that is